If I wasn't making beer, I don't know what I'd be doing right now. I really enjoy it. It's been, it kind of came about as kind of a surprise to me to do it commercially, and it's worked out really well for us. It took us about 1.5 years to get everything working the way we wanted and come up with recipes that we wanted. We bought a brewery setup, a kettle and a couple of other tanks online, and we had some estimates from the people we bought the equipment from and from the people at the power company and from our electrician as to what our usage would be and what our demand charge would be. It wasn't until we got our first bill from the power company that we realized we had a problem. The demand charge was twice or a little bit more than twice of what we had anticipated. So I started calling anybody I could think of to get some information on how can I make this steam generator more efficient? Is there something else I could get that wouldn't take so much power? So I contacted Efficiency Vermont and was able to get a hold of somebody there that would help me out, at least give me some information as to what I was doing to cause this demand charge.
When Chris called, it was clear that he was frustrated and he didn't know where to turn. So it felt like a personal challenge to me to help him find what is it that's causing this demand charge, which was the electric steam generator. He didn't need steam at high pressure, he needed steam at a moderate pressure, which then allowed us to look at something like an oil-fired boiler.
The problem was the money. Financially, we had already had everything invested in the brewery. And Pat said, well, let me see if I can do something on my end.
We structured it so that his utility savings would be greater than his loan amount. Once it was a positive cash flow, it made all the sense in the world.
After looking at what Pat had put together, it was way more about an investment than just an expense of buying another piece of equipment. We were going to save money the very first month. So after doing this project with Efficiency Vermont, I was able to reinvest in a more efficient steam generator. I was able to save money, and I was able to make better decisions and more informed decisions to run my company and to spend more time making beer instead of worrying about some of the other things that were going on behind the scenes.